Welcome to this tutorial on managing TD Bank Online Banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of navigating and utilizing the online banking platform offered by TD Bank. To begin, you will need to enroll in TD Bank Online Banking if you have not already done so. You can do this by visiting the TD Bank website and clicking on the Enroll Now button. You will be prompted to enter your account information and create a username and password. Once you have enrolled, you can log into your account by visiting the TD Bank website and entering your username and password. From the home page, you can view your account balances and transaction history. You can also use the navigation menu to access various features such as bill pay, transfers, and account settings. To pay a bill, simply click on the Bill Pay tab and enter the payee information. You can also set up recurring payments for regular bills such as rent or mortgage. To transfer funds, click on the Transfers tab and select the account you want to transfer from and to. You can also set up recurring transfers to transfer funds at regular intervals. In addition to these features, TD Bank Online Banking also allows you to manage your account settings. You can update your contact information, change your password, and set up account alerts. Account alerts can be set up to notify you of low balances, large transactions, and other account activity. To ensure the security of your account, it is essential to use strong passwords and keep your computer and mobile devices up to date with the latest security software. You should also be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. In conclusion, managing TD Bank Online Banking is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility offered by TD Bank Online Banking. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and use the features and tools available to you to manage your finances effectively.